What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, good morning, and welcome to this video in which I wanted to take a look at Algorand, or the Algo token, Algo coin, whatever you want to call it. It's been quite some time since we covered Algorand for the last time. Obviously we covered it a lot when it was up here and we had that great news, which was right here I think. Now Algorand has dropped down quite significantly. It's actually a very good thing that we had these moves, because if we were still at these levels, I think we would drop down even further than we did this time. We dropped down to 40 cents. That time we could actually maybe drop down to 35 cents initially. So it's great we had those bullish few days, but right now Algorand isn't looking that great price-wise. Project-wise, and I think a lot of you know that the project still is solid. Nothing has changed with that. Nothing has changed with the partnership. So it's up to you whether you think Algorand right now is undervalued. I'd say there's a pretty good case to make that it is undervalued. One thing that does worry me though is the volume dropping down. Now it's at 4.7% of the market cap again. So that used to be quite a bit higher right here. As you can see, it's a little bit weird due to these spikes where it had 26 trillion in volume. I'm not necessarily sure what caused that, but still, if we take a look at it right now, or right here, it was between like 500 and 700, and even here it was like 700. But obviously in those big drops, you always have a lot of people selling and people buying low, so the volume is always higher then. But now it's dropping down to 150 million. It's not that great. I mean, there has always been a solid fan base and community behind Algorand and very good developers, but with that news we just got a new kind of user and a new kind of community member to it, and I'm not sure if they have left, but the volume dropping down could be an indicator of that. Definitely not great. Still, we have some bullish candles in the last 8 hours throughout the whole market as well. So the main thing Algorand is heading up to again right now is this 50 cents level, which is quite a strong level. You have that 0.5 fib, 50 EMA, the red line, and 50 cents is obviously a major psychological resistance level. So I think we'll head up there again. So we'll go up a little bit from here, about like 5% more, but I do think from there we will drop down again towards this level here at 43 cents. Afterwards, I think 43 could actually hold for a longer period of time. I don't think we'll drop down to 40 cents in the short term. In the next few weeks, I am expecting a drop down to 40 cents, but that's not for this analysis. So for the short term, I expect 43 cents to actually hold, and we could even get another spike up to 50 cents. But as of right now, that 50 cents level just seems too strong, which is a bad thing. And because I did want to add that to the analysis as well. If we break above 50 cents, so if we actually close above that, we would find resistance at 56 cents. But apart from that, that could actually make us take a break retest and maybe go up to this level here at like between 60 and 62 cents. That is possible. Like technically, practically, I think the market is too bullish, but still, or too bearish, excuse me, and that there's not enough bullish momentum to actually pull us up to those levels. Still, I do want to add that this market is very unpredictable. I am not always right, and I think you all know that if you're a loyal subscriber to this channel. So I do want to add that even though I think this is the most likely scenario, that if we break above 50 cents and also kind of break above 53 cents, because that's the upper bound of this key level. So if we can actually close around 55 and 56 cents, then we can also actually move up to 60 and 62 cents off of the break retest. That's still possible. That's also possible a little bit later after we've dropped down to 43 cents. Maybe, and arguably, the chances of it happening then are bigger. But then again, time-wise, it's hard to kind of think up or think of in what order things will happen, because as I said in the beginning of the analysis, I'm also expecting a drop down to this level somewhere within the next few weeks. So it's really just analyzing it day by day. I think I will definitely update it more in the upcoming days. This is my short-term analysis. So if you do have any questions about the analysis or about anything I said, please let me know down in the comments. As for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.